So what I've been doing on the 33 Skyline here is I've been putting the sump back on, which I just got back on now. And we're flipping the engine over. Got the head gasket up there, which I will be putting, which I've got the copper sealant on. Flipping it over, putting that baby on, then putting the head on. And I'm just gonna wait maybe a day maybe, and just wait for these to harden up before I tighten them up properly. And it should be all good.
Everything around me dollar bill, y'all, cash, everything around me free. Get the money, dollar bill,
yeah.
Y'all.
After hours of Il Molino, a Soto, just talking women and vino. The contract like 91 Dan Marino. I swear this guy Michael Rapino's boosting my ego. Overly focused is far from the time to rest now. Debates growing about who they think is the best now. Took a while, got the jokers out of the deck now. I'm holding all the cards.
So what I've been doing on the block for the RB25 here, the 33, is I've been painting it up. Just started here and just finished this side, so making it look all pretty. I'm gonna do the sump as well. Just making it black instead of this horrible Kermit green or whatever the hell the guy thought it was smart to do. Just giving it a battle can with it, doesn't get too hot on there. So, and got the head gasket there, the triple layer, which I put copper sealant on as well. And I'll be putting the head on, cleaning it up kind of thing, and then giving it a big, degrease, and when it's all on there so it looks all pretty. I'll give it an initial one, but it is greasy as shit on here. So I'll make it look all nice and pretty. So I water blasted all that, and one other thing which I did is that I water blasted the engine bay, which is looking so much better. I got like all that coated grease, which was about this thick on the bottom there off, so thank God. But another exciting thing which Stan and I found, and I'm not too sure if your engine mounts are like this, but this is some flash stuff right here. I mean, look at that. That is mean. And the passenger side, that's nice. That's really nice. That's exactly what the doctor ordered. So, new ones of those coming in, and hopefully I won't hear this doof 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 coming from the, I was like drum and bass coming from the passenger side, so fingers crossed, it should be all good. So, head gasket has been put down, the dowels are in place. Should be all ready to go for the head to be put down. Just got the studs over there, which I'll get all lubed up and so on, and hopefully she should be all good. So, it was a bit of an unfortunate turn of events with the Skyline here. Ended up cranking down the bolts on the last head bolt here, and it ended up snapping and shearing off the actual, not this one, but one of the bolts, and you can see I ended up getting it out. Thankfully it wasn't in too hard, but holy shit, it was a mission not getting it out. But fortunately to kind of layer this gasket down again with some of that copper sealant and see how that goes. But it's frustrating now because I have to get a whole new set of head studs now. But if it was going to happen to me, I guess it was going to happen to someone else. So at least I know it'll be done mint. But oh, sort of throw a fucking wobbly if some shit will get down, that's for sure. That's okay, shit happens. Yeah, already modded that. Short throw now. Short the story.